Good morning, class. Today, to start with our entrepreneur session, we'll do marketing mix. We are continuing with marketing mix and price mix. Yesterday, we discussed about the price because price is the only factor in 4Ps which relates to money. Now, price. There are different ways of fixing a price because fixing a price matters a lot for a firm. There are four ways. First is cost plus pricing method. Second is penetration pricing method. Third is screaming or scheming pricing method. Fourth is variable pricing method. Today we will discuss about cost plus pricing method. As the word suggests, cost plus pricing, it means that the cost of production plus we fix a certain margin of profit in it. We add certain margin of profit. That's what is cost plus plus means profit. Now, cost plus pricing method is a common technique where the manufacturer charges the price to cover the cost of production plus a reasonable profit. Although this is the simplest method of pricing, but it does not encourage the efficient use of resources that are land, labor, capital, because it is typically based on manufacturing tasks which is associated with estimates of costs. Now, for example, to justify planned capital expenditure means we are investing on machines, fixed assets. Then determine likely production of cost for new or modified products. Focus attention on areas of high cost, where high costs are there. Estimates are made of the resources required, that is land, labor, capital, the cost of those resources and time for which they will be used. From these factors, an estimate of cost of carrying out a manufacturing process is made. Now, accounting methods are used for depreciation and cash flow analysis when capital expenditure justification are to be made, because depreciation is done on capital expenditure or capital goods only. Now, advantage, there are certain advantage and certain disadvantage. We will discuss about advantage first. The company knows exactly the amount of expenditure that has incurred on making a product, and therefore they can add profit margin accordingly, which helps in achieving the desired revenue from a firm. Suppose the cost of production is 1000 rupees per unit and the company wants a margin of 10%. So 10% of 1000 is 100. Now selling price is always cost plus profit. So 1000 plus 100, it means 1100 will be the selling price of the product. Now this is the simplest method to decide the price for a product because one has to just add all the cost and the profit margin. Then the company is using its own data for deciding cost, which makes it easier for a company to evaluate the reason for escalations in expenses, and therefore it can take corrective action immediately. If they are expensive, if the cost of production goes high or low, the company comes to know easily. So they can take the corrective actions. Now, when advantages are there, so disadvantages are also there. This method does not take into account the future demand for a product, which should be the base before deciding on the price of the product. In future, demand may increase or decrease. You never know. It also does not take into account the competitors' action and their effect on pricing of the product. Now, today we have a cutthroat economy, cutthroat market, that is monopolistic market. A large number of buyers are there, a large number of sellers are there. So, competitive price we have to keep in mind, but this method does not take into consideration, because and cost plus price method will lead to failure of the company of the product in the market. Now, it can result in the company overestimating the price of the product. Sometimes we overestimate the price also, because it includes the sunk cost and ignores the opportunity cost. And also, while calculating the cost, there is an element of personal biasness, because the person who is doing, he will always be ready to that his employer should be happy. So there is always a personal bias while deciding the profit margin. Thank you.